Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You already have the basics, so start by installing Google Chat and signing in with the Google account you plan to use. Once signed in, make sure notifications are enabled so messages arrive promptly, and grant microphone and contacts access for calls and mentions. Next, open the app and tap the Compose button to begin a conversation, add a person or room. This first action gets you into the interface fast and prepares the app for messaging and calls without extra setup delays. Once inside, navigate chats and rooms to organize conversations. You can create a room for a project and invite teammates. Use it mentions to alert people and start threads to keep related replies grouped, which prevents buried messages. Tap the plus icon to attach files or the camera icon to send images quickly. When you need live discussion, start an audio or video call and use screen sharing for demos. These tools reduce back and forth and speed decision, making in real time. To finish, customize settings like notification sounds, status, and data usage so the app behaves the way you expect. Make sure auto-sync is on to keep messages current. If messages don't appear or calls fail, clear the app cache or reinstall the app. That often resolves corrupted state. Also check account permissions and your network. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to isolate issues. If problems persist, sign out and back in to re-authenticate, which usually restores full functionality quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.